Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make black bean soup from canned beans. Start by heating oil, then sauté onion, garlic, and bell pepper until soft. Add cumin, smoked paprika, and a bay leaf for depth. Stir in rinsed canned black beans, vegetable broth, and a splash of lime juice. Simmer gently to combine flavors, then blend partially for a chunky, satisfying texture, and finish with fresh cilantro. Heat a wide pot and add oil, then sauté onion and garlic until soft and fragrant. Stir in bell pepper, cumin, smoked paprika, and a bay leaf to toast the spices briefly. Pour in rinsed canned black beans and enough vegetable broth to cover, then bring to a gentle simmer. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes so flavors marry, then adjust seasoning with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lime for brightness. For a balanced texture, ladle out 1/3 of the soup and pulse blend it, then return to the pot to create a creamy base with whole beans for bite. Taste and add lime juice, chopped cilantro, and salt as needed. Top bowls with diced avocado, a dollop of sour cream, or chopped scallions for contrast. Serve with warm tortillas, rice, or crusty bread to round out the meal and enjoy the cozy flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.